Mesolithic cultures explained: Azilian, Tardenoisean, Maglemosean, Midden, and Natufian, features and significance. Welcome to AnthroNet Academy, a study aligned with UGC NET anthropology syllabus. Dear learners, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, AnthroNet Academy, to keep me motivated to create more content for you. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Gift on 1,000 subscribers. AnthroNet Academy is excited to announce a special gift for our viewers once we reach 1,000 subscribers. Why subscribe? We're bringing you the latest current affairs in anthropology, curated specifically for competitive exams. Stay updated with exam-oriented analysis expert insights on recent developments daily/weekly current affairs tailored for anthropology. Special surprise gift awaits all our early supporters once we hit 1K. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, be a part of our growing community, and take your anthropology preparation to the next level. You hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. AnthroNet Academy, your gateway to anthropology excellence. Stay till the end for full concept clarity. Mesolithic Period, Middle Stone Age. Time roughly 10,000 to 6,000 BCE. Varies by region. Transitional phase between Paleolithic, hunting and stone tools, and Neolithic, agriculture and settled living. Characterized by small stone tools called microliths, semi-nomadic lifestyle, fishing, hunting, gathering, beginning of animal domestication and permanent settlement. 1. Azilian Culture. Region: Pyrenees region, France and northern Spain. Time: c. 10,000 to 8,000 BCE, post-Magdalenian. Key features: continuation of cave life, but with decline in cave art. Tools became smaller, simpler microliths of flint and bone. Characteristic objects: painted pebbles with geometric patterns, possibly marking rituals or communication. Subsistence: hunting small game, fishing, gathering. Exam tip: Azilian represents the simplification of the rich Paleolithic art tradition into symbolic pebble designs. 2. Tardenoisean Culture. Region: northern France, Belgium, England. Time: c. 9,000 to 6,000 BCE. Named after Tardenois region in France. Key features: superior microlithic tool tradition, including backed bladelets. Tools often mounted on wood/bone handles, composite tools. Appears in open-air settlements, not deep caves. Wide use of bow and arrow for hunting. Exam tip: Tardenoisean culture is significant for the high standardization of microlithic tools. 3. Maglemosean Culture. Region: northern Europe, Denmark, Sweden, Norway. Time: c. 9,000 to 6,000 BCE. Named after Maglemos, Great Bog in Denmark. Key features: lived in marshy forest and lake areas. Tools made from bone, antler, and flint. Use of harpoons, fish hooks, paddles, dugout canoes, aquatic lifestyle. Early domestication of dog. Exam tip: Maglemosean shows adaptation to post-glacial forests and reliance on fishing and wetland resources. 4. Midden Culture, Culture. Region: Denmark, Northern Europe. Time: c. 5,400 to 3,900 BC. Kitchen middens equals large heaps of shells, bones, ash near dwelling areas. Key features: settlements near coastal areas, extensive exploitation of marine food, shell heaps used to identify Mesolithic coastal habitation. Use of pottery begins, important transitional feature to Neolithic. Exam tip: kitchen middens are archaeological evidence of settled coastal living and early pottery use. 5. Natufian Culture. Region: Palestine, Israel, Lebanon, Syria, Levant. Time: c. 12,500 to 9,500 BC. Very important because it directly leads to agriculture. Key features: semi-sedentary people living in stone-built houses, collected wild wheat and barley. Sickle blades and grinding stones indicate food processing. Earliest known evidence of planned burial and community cemeteries. Sheep and goat domestication begins. Exam tip: Natufian culture marks the transition from hunting-gathering to agriculture and permanent settlement. Quick comparison table. Culture region key tools lifestyle importance. Azilian Spain and France painted pebbles. Microliths hunting small game transition from Paleolithic cave art to simple symbolism. Tardenoisean NW Europe standardized microliths semi-nomadic advanced microlithic technology. Maglemosean Northern Europe bone and antler tools, canoes fishing and forest living wetland adaptation plus earliest dog domestication. Kitchen midden Denmark flint, pottery coastal settlement shell heaps show settled marine-based economy. Natufian Levant sickle blades, grindstones semi-sedentary precursor to agriculture and village life. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.